Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to add HTML code in Blogger so you can customize your posts, embed widgets, or even tweak your blog's entire theme. Let's get into it. First, switch to HTML view in posts or pages. Most users spend their time in the Compose view, which works like a standard word processor. To add code, you need to switch the editor to technical mode. Create a new post or open an existing one. Look for the pencil icon in the top left corner of the editor toolbar. Click the icon and select HTML view from the drop-down menu. Your formatted text will disappear, and you'll see the underlying code of your post. You can now paste your custom HTML snippet anywhere in this window. Next, use the Layout section for widgets. If you want to add HTML that appears on every page, like a social media feed or a custom sidebar, the post editor isn't the right place. You'll want to use a gadget instead. From your Blogger dashboard, click on Layout in the left-hand menu. Find the area where you want the code to appear, like the sidebar or footer, and click Add a Gadget. Scroll through the list and select HTML or JavaScript. Give it a title and paste your code into the content box. Click Save at the bottom of the window, and then click the floppy disk icon in the bottom right of the layout screen to push your changes live. Lastly, edit the theme directly. For heavy-duty changes like adding Google Analytics, verification tags, or custom CSS, you may need to edit the core template of your blog. Click on Theme in the left sidebar. Next to the Customize button, click the drop-down arrow and select Edit HTML. This opens the full XML and HTML structure of your site. Be careful here. Use the Jump to Widget icon at the top to find specific sections like the header or footer. Always click the drop-down arrow next to Customize and select Backup before you start editing the theme code. This ensures you can restore your site if a piece of code breaks your layout. And that's pretty much it. To add HTML in 2026, use the pencil icon in the post editor to switch to HTML view for specific content, or use the Layout tab to add an HTML or JavaScript gadget for sidebar elements. For global site changes, the Edit HTML option under the Theme menu gives you total control over your blog's code. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.